Next one, strawberries. I would have to disagree because when we had our strawberry patch,
Right.
it was prolific for a few years.
We had in-ground, and strawberries in-ground typically last about 5 to 7 years. Ours peaked around the 4-year mark, and we had, I think it was 138 square feet of strawberries. And it wasn't row like you'd see at a pick your own farm. It wasn't a row this, row. It was just like yard. It was just strawberries.
It was chaos. But they did produce.
We were getting 15 and 20, 25 pounds a year off that patch. Now, if you don't have the space to establish a 150, 160, 200 square foot strawberry patch, then the investment of going to the pick your own farm is practical. The other thing that I have an issue with some people is growing them in containers. And whether you're doing the June bearing or the ever bearing, here is where my philosophy of this comes from. It's a waste of time because you're babying these plants for 28 weeks grow season, and then they go dormant over the winter for approximately 2 to 3 weeks of strawberries. And if you don't have a very large container, you're basically getting a bowl, a cereal bowl full of strawberries over the course of fighting with these plants to keep them alive all year long for a bowl, cereal bowl, dozen or so strawberries. Doesn't make sense. Leaf lettuce, green beans, something else in that container can be much more return on investment better than a couple of strawberry plants that you've got to keep alive all year long.
I don't disagree. And pick your own farms. They are a lot of fun to go to, and
good prices and great quality product.
Yeah, they're good prices, great quality. And then even if you just want to run past the farm stand, that's fine too. So I shouldn't say I disagree, but I think that if you have never grown strawberries and you want to try it, I think you should go for it.